This new Canva feature can make you code without coding skills. And this feature is not available for everyone, but at the end of this video, I'm actually going to show you how you'll be able to get this feature. So don't forget to stick around and watch through to the end. So when you get this feature, this is how the interface of your Canva is actually going to look like. And you are supposed to tap on this side right here, AI, and then you're going to see this screen right here. You can see this side where it states code for me. You tap on it and then you tap on this section, and then you can type in your prompt, and then it's actually going to generate whatever you want Canva to generate for you. So in this case, I'm just going to say, let's just create a math game for kids. So create a math game for kids under 15. Yes. And then let's tap on this section right here, and then it's actually going to bring everything out right here. So you can see it has started the coding without you having no idea. So if you are someone who wants to just create something with no coding ideas, I'm like to you, Canva actually got you. And this is very, very great. You can see the codings right here. So after everything is done, you're going to be able to run it. I mean, you're going to be able to try it out right here in Canva. But in my later video, I'm just going to show you guys how we are going to be able to make this thing as a real-time game for people to be able to download it from the Play Store or App Store to be able to play it. So with this one, I'm just showing you how this is actually being created right now, because they actually launched it yesterday, which was 10th of April 2025. And right now it's not available for everyone. So like I told you earlier, I'm going to let you guys get it at the end of this video, because they are making it available for the first 1 million people who are going to be able to log on to Canva at the moment. So I'll show you guys how you're going to be able to do this.
Tapping on the keyboard late at night, screens glowing, feeling so right. Binary dreams in a cold flight. We run this tech game with all our might.
So once everything is done, you're going to see your game screen like this, and then you can just scroll up right here. So you can see right here, it's going to ask you 7 plus 2 plus 7. You tap on it, and it's actually going to show you the answer. You can go to next question. You tap on it. Next question, we're actually going to try and make a mistake and see how it's going to be. So you're just going to tap on this, and you can see, oops, the answer is wrong. So you can try this for most games you feel like you want. If anything you actually want to create with either a website or anything, you can just use this Canva to create it right away. And I'm not gonna lie, this is actually one of the greatest features Canva has actually brought up, but I'm sure they would make it possible for you to copy the code, and then you're actually going to run it very well for you to be able to maybe make it run and then actually upload it to the Play Store and then App Store for people to download and play in real time. So this is how you're going to be able to get this feature. So let's check this out. So I'm going to log this out. I'm just going to add another account. Or let me just add another account. So with this, you're actually going to log in with your Gmail or any email you have. So let me just try this, and then I'm just gonna go in like that. So when you go to your Canva account, you're gonna see the interface this way. So what you're gonna do is you tap on this sections right here, and then you tap on it, and then you're gonna be in. So you can see right now this account is 130,000 user who has been able to log on. So you tap on let's go, and then you're going to have the new features, and there are a lot of features you're actually going to unlock doing this. It's actually going to show you in case you want to know. Let me lower this. You just tap on skip to the end, and then you're going to see all the new features that Canva actually brought to you. So you can tap on this side to see what's new, and you're going to scroll down to here this side, and then you're going to see everything Canva brought to this new update. And mine, oh my, like it's very, very great. It's really, really packed that you guys really need to try it out in case it's been released to everyone. Everyone should just try it out. There's other new features you're gonna see right here. It's super, super great. Like, I'm not gonna lie, it's one thing a lot of people are gonna like right here. So once you are in it now, what you can do is you tap on this section right here, and then you can do the codings like I taught you guys earlier, and then you can choose any of these templates in order to be able to just do whatever you want to do. So try this Canva app out, and if you think this video is very helpful, don't forget to like it up and also subscribe to the channel, and I'm gonna catch you in the next one.